So again, TVR Tuscan. We're making our way to the back now. So TVR Tuscan. I quite like the red though. Don't hate it.
I've never been a fan of red cars, even though I've owned one. But it's still a nice. I mean, that's still a nice colour, nice car.
Yeah. We filmed these coming in, 2 Subarus. Interesting wheels. Really, really wide spokes. Isn't it?
Yeah, and it's a weird centre cap as well, actually.
Yeah. Interesting. I do like them wheels. They're cool.
Yeah, they're really fun.
All stickered up. Gotta love some stickers. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice black roof. So we're gonna make our way down to the back now and have a look down
where
there.
You had to park last time when we came in your 370.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was so busy that day.
So Audi
R8 V10.
R8 V10. This was my favourite car at one point. This is my dream car. I do like them. I do like them a lot.
Incredibly wide, aren't they?
Yeah, they really are. Massively wide. Very, very nice cars.
More of a GT, isn't it?
More of a GT, Grand Tourer. Yeah, I mean, it's a Lambo, isn't it? Same Lamborghini engine.
I'd have one of these over a Lamborghini.
Yeah, so would I.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I actually would. I like these. I like them a lot. Again,
the interior is nice. It just looks like a nice place to be. When you talk about driver focus on that Porsche, it's very driver focused there. There's only 3 buttons that you actually use on the inside. So.
Yeah. Yeah, beautiful cars, really, really nice. Have you seen the Decennium editions?
Decennium? No.
Yeah.
What,
so
of this?
yes,
No,
Decennium. Yeah, they're really, really nice. Really, really nice. Loads of carbon, different front ends and stuff like that.
It's a weird shaped caliper. Got weird blocks. There's a big block there and a block there.
Oh, that is surprising.
Out.
Yeah. Interesting. Nice wheels as well.
It's just Audi, isn't it?
So this is something very common for you guys in the States, but something that's not too common, but is becoming more common in the UK, which is the Mustang. And side note as well for anyone in the States, because when they swap it over to right-hand drive, it actually loses horsepower for some weird reason.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
I don't understand why. It's the strangest thing.
You don't think it's an emissions thing?
No,
not the fact that they're swapping it over to right-hand drive. It just has to have a different emissions.
Well, why? Because you can get a bloody V10.
Yeah, I'm saying this thing maybe in
America
doesn't have a different test that it does when it comes over to Europe. It's
Yeah.
European emissions testing.
Maybe.
Scirocco is cool.
The Scirocco is super cool. What a cool learner car.
And they
I
were
swear we've seen this before.
Where we've seen it though?
I don't know. I could have sworn it was. Maybe on the other side. But anyway, these are super cool. Again, a car you probably don't see so much of in the States, but a super cool car.
Don't see much around here.
No, you don't. I love these old retro cars though, don't I? Massive fan of them.
You're a bit of an 80s fan, aren't you?
Yeah. No, because the 510 will be 60s, I think, when that comes through.
Oh, right then.
I just like retro cars. This is quite nice, actually. I like the little carbon lip. That's quite cool.
I like the
Yeah, the colour's nice. It reminds me of
Yeah, I know what you're gonna
Nissan's
say.
orange. Shut up. They're good. Nice wheels as well. I'm pretty sure they're quite standard looking wheels. I mean, they're M wheels, but they're not.
Yeah, they're
but they're still. Yeah, they're nice. I like them. I'm not a major fan of BMWs at all, ladies and gents, and I know you guys in the States love them.
I like them.
But they're a dime a dozen over here. They're literally everywhere.
Fancy A4.
A4 B7, isn't it?
That is a B7.
Yeah, there you go. I know it. I had a Audi A4 B6. I did.
I know you did.
Yeah. Quattro. What is this? A1. This is cool.
Yeah, it's another little A1. But I think that one actually might be an S1.
Yeah.
It's. One is an S1.
It has Venturi parts on it. You can see that all through there. Oh, we've got some another Mustang. Yeah, I like these actually. Is this?
I like the contrast in brown or orange interior.
Yeah, it's like a tan leather. Camel.
It's F-type. It's an F.
Yeah, I really like these. I do like these a lot. Love that wing.
V6 or V8?
Wow. Don't know. Love the wing though.
The exhaust. It's probably a V6.
Love the wing.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
I'm just going to keep badgering on about the wing. That's a cool wing.
Do you like the wing?
I do.
Yeah.
No, but that is cool. Like that a lot.
What about the wing?
Yeah, I like it, man. I do, yeah. Did you not hear the first time?
No. Second or third?
RS5 here.
Yeah. Oh, the wheels.
Yes, so I saw these. Yeah, they are textured.
Yeah, they're weird.
I saw these wheels on the way in. How
Wheels.
unusual are they? Is that like a carbon sticker? Oh,
That's a carbon sticker, but the wheel itself's quite
that's
fun.
interesting. Very interesting.
I like the seats.
I don't know if that is a carbon sticker. Yeah, it is.
It is, mate.
Okay, so basically they've stuck carbon on it,
But the wheels are still interesting.
but the wheels are interested outside of that, so I don't know why they did that. I don't like it. I'm not going to lie. I don't care. Don't stick carbon on stuff like that.
You never said that about the 350Z. That was.
Yeah, it did.
No, you
I ripped into loads of bloody 370s last time. But I don't have fake carbon.
V8 M3, E92, E91, that, or like an E9 series. It's a bit of an argument about which one's 9 and which one's 1.
Sorry about the wind, ladies and gents.
And that's just Nate. He had a curry.
Shut up. I did have a curry last time.
There you go.
Yeah. Aston Martin.
V12.
Yes.
Look at the vents.
Love the vents. Love that they're carbon as well. My carbon fetish is being fulfilled right here. No, but it's a beautiful car though, isn't it? Like, honestly.
Manual as well.
That's very rare.
With the Power Rangers leg. That's the joke about that getting off, isn't it?
Yeah. And door handles are great. These cars are great. I'd own one of these for sure. if I ever could.
They're not that expensive. The amount that you're spending on the Pulsar and the
Alright, shush. Let's not talk about that, mate. Let's not talk about that.
sad times. So M2, M4. Oh, it's
Just the sea of M's.
Yeah, M6, M6.
So these people, we spoke to them. They came out Tesco's once, and they became best mates because they own exactly the same car. Obviously, we're joking. We'd never spoke to these people.
Now, these two M6s, although they're still M6s across the way, they're amazing looking things. They look scary.
Yeah, I mean it's like the Batmobile, isn't it? Really?
The one on the right is.
Yeah, they look cool. AMG
S-Class.
Shelby
Yeah.
GT 350.
These are the ones that are actually owned
by the actual cafe podium place. They're super cool.
Which one's the one that's much louder than the Skyline and made me look like an absolute
I don't know.
I think it was this one.
Probably these
so
just so like again probably common in the States maybe, but we never see these. Yeah, why is that just tucked around here? This is cool. V12 bi-turbo AMG. Wow, like this. Why is it tucked away? Probably so people don't see it. Like, don't look at my car.
It's probably Podium's just got a C-Tech charger in it.
This is really cool. I like this a lot.
Jags over here as well, you know.
I want to show everyone this a little bit more first, because I bet you a lot of people wouldn't have seen this in the States. Wow! Look how wide it is!
That is cool.
Yeah, love that. That's rad. And then just two Jags.
That's a really rare Jag.
Yeah, XJRS V12.
Yeah. That one not so much, but this one.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, such a shame. These should be around the front.
No, they got vans around the front, mate. They got no room.
Yeah, they literally do have a auto.
Yeah, they're room auto.
Oh, are they?
Yeah,
I didn't know.
Not manual.
They do have a VW van around the front, so you know, I mean, they've got to show it off. That's a joke, ladies and gents, obviously. Fuck it. Oh. Window's been left open.
Oh yeah.
That's sad. It's actually got wet inside as well. That's a shame. Should probably tell them.
Have a look, see if it's been taxed at any point recently.
Yep, should probably go tell them that. And Ferrari here as well, which was kind of just tucked out of the way. Nick's just checking tax, ladies and gents. We've got a GT4 and whatever Ferrari this is, I've got no idea, but it's owned by Podium, which is cool. And then this, holy, love it.
Hi.
Weirdo.
Yeah, that is cool, isn't it?
Yeah, this is
the
rad.
one that's louder than mine.
Yes.
This is the one.
Yeah, this is a very loud car, ladies and gents. Very, very, very loud.
That Jag has 36,000 miles on it.
Wow. That's going to be very expensive.
It's only just been MOT, so I don't know why they're leaving it out there with the window open.
Odd.
Yeah, that's cool. That window.
And we're going to have a look at these M4s and then
M6s.
M6s, whatever. To me, they're literally all the same. I know that's blasphemy to lots of people, but to me, they're literally all the same. So we'll have a look at these, and then yeah, we'll probably just go and have a wander ourselves. Nice.
I bet that Cybon. That looks exactly like your bot.
Sabon. What?
Slybon. Put whatever the fuck I want.
It does look like it, doesn't it?
It does look like Cybon.
Has it got any fading like mine?
Yeah, it does
it
in the
actually
corner.
does.
That's what I said.
God damn. I love carbon, but
You're not allowed
yeah,
to use the
Sabon
bonnet
are
for
not
your
good.
car outside, are you?
No, that's legitimately what Sabon say. How absurd is that, honestly? So, ladies and gents, we don't know. I own a 370Z with a Sabon boot and spoiler, basically. And yeah, Sabon came around and told, basically they faded. And I emailed Sabon and they said, oh, you shouldn't be putting your car outside. What?